My name is Ronny Lindsay. I am a senior forensic engineer with Salas O'Brien. I actually stumbled upon forensic engineering by sheer coincidence. One of my very good friends switched over from transportation engineering and started doing forensics. Just in conversation, he started talking about what he was doing, and I was so intrigued. So I met with the vice president of that forensic firm, and within that same hour, I'm like, this is definitely what I want to be doing. When you show up to do an inspection or assessment of whatever structure it may be, you need to have a good understanding of what you may run into, how to tackle on your inspection. To be able to build your own, let's call it library, right, in your brain, you need to have been exposed to many different aspects of construction, of design. Make sure that you dabble on many different disciplines. Here at Salas O'Brien, I teach certified inspector courses, and some of the younger associate engineers that we have on staff, taking the time to explain things to them, make them understand as to why we're saying certain things. Being able to see these individuals grow as professionals, that is the reward, especially knowing that you were part of their growth further down the line. I mean, I think that in itself is a gift. I ended up opening up a gym down in South Florida, and I've trained hundreds of individuals of all ages, made a lot of friendships. A lot of marriages came from that gym, believe it or not. Yep, to the day, still have those relationships and friendships. It was definitely a fun time.